So, welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, so here is my lesson. Okay, I know why. Okay, so today's lesson is number 4. It's called Asha the Mall. Let's go ahead and see if we can do this right here. And show the slide. And sometimes I think we can control it if we just go exit post. Yeah, so we can control it, I think. Let's see. No, didn't do it. Okay. Okay, this is lesson 4. Anyway, you'll notice our lesson says Asha means one. Asha. Damo. Damo, some of you might know Spanish. If you know Spanish, we the net before the Spanish came along, we didn't know the days of the week. We don't have any concept, no concept about days of the week. We just said, oh, I mean, today again, you know. But you know, we knew when it was morning, midday. It wasn't by the watch; it was by the day, and that's the reason why the sacred colors. Morning was whitish. It's also stone, white shell, and then during the midday. So in the morning we say abine. So sometimes we say abine. So today, if you want to use the question maker before your question, you might say to Johnny, Johnny, abine. You know, so you can use one of these to greet each other today if you want to. Or if it's noontime, you say, Johnny, means means right in the middle, means the sun has gone up to the middle of the day. Abine means just morning, in the morning. Okay, so you can say, instead of just saying to somebody, just say, and if everybody knows it's morning, you say abine, Johnny. If it's close to noontime, you say Johnny. Or let's say in the afternoon, and this is the West is considered evening. Meaning hello, afternoon, good afternoon kind of idea. And means it's the sun's gone down. Is total evening. Afternoon, evening, nighttime. The prayers, and traditionally my family used to line up in prayer. We used to do it here in Abine before the sun comes up. We go through the day, and then we end up here. We say prayer here throughout the night, and then all up to morning again. And so okay, let's see if somebody else is trying to get in. Jared, did you get in? Let's see if he's in. Did I let him in? Sorry, he's not in, I don't think. I don't see his name. I hope he comes back in. I'll catch it. All right, now. Anyway, let's go back over here. So anyway, so these are 4 directions. These are concepts. You know, everything's done in 4s. This is the beginning. That's where our roots are. That's where the peace. We say yo, love, and peace, love, joy, harmony. Peace, love, joy, harmony. And that's even when we're dependent. We're every day we're dependent, right? When we're smaller, we were always dependent. But nowadays we have some independence. You know, we just tell our mom, I can comb my hair, or I can put on my clothes, or whatever, or I can go to school now. So independence is getting better and better as we start growing. because we're seeking what we call independence. Independence. And when you become, like right here, this yellow tells you you're an adult. All right. Morning, or this tells you that you're a little baby, a little child. This tells you that you're a teenager right here. We'll put those on as the next lesson. But this tells you that you're an adult. So you become independent, meaning I am going to school by myself, or I am go seek this job for myself, or you become independent. But the best part is the old age. You become interdependent. Just think about your grandma and your grandfather. They have friends, and they're true friends. They use kinship term. They use those terms to tell each other, "Thank you for coming. I know you just didn't come. Let's what was on your mind? You know, you figure out each other's needs, and then you work on those needs. So that's special. If you have a friend that has a vision of let's share love to others, or let's have joy with others. Let's go to song and dance. There we'll have harmony. There we'll have joy. There we'll have peace and love. You know, we will sing our songs there. You know, so it's really good to be interdependent, which is actually here day one also, because of family, right? You know, when we were growing up, we experience this interdependency. If you can't do it, then you ask your mom. If you can't do it, you ask your dad. So everybody becomes interdependent as little children. Anyway, I wanted to let you know today that Yad Ehbene, Yad Ehlena, Yad Ehilchen. Hilchen means this afternoon. Hilchen. Chen means the sun is beginning to head down to the evening, you know. Means it is now evening time, going into nighttime. All right, so Yad. So if today the Bene was this morning, it passed. So we're right here. So right now we can say Yad Johnny. Yeah, so we can say those things. Okay. Another person coming in. Sorry. Good day, Jared. You're all helping each other. That's great. So the thing I wanted to tell you about today is let us be on equal. So if this was a circle, you know, like the basket. So one is the east, one is the south, one is over on the other side is the west and the north. So it's a circle. So as we are here, we're at the roots, we're together, and we move together. And what I'm saying is, I might be the trainer or the teacher or the master or whatever, but I'm actually just part of the circle. Okay, so I am also still learning what we're learning, the Nebuzah. And I'm just a couple of days, maybe experience a little bit more, and that's the reason why I want to give back. And so that's what I do. But guess what? You are the expert in computers. So at some point I might say, okay, I'm stuck, help, you know, so we can help each other as we go through this. All right, let's start with Nsakis, right here, Nsakis, not Inasis, but we just put it in this kind of an equal. Today we're going to talk about Asha Demo, 1 week. Asha Demo is how we say it. Asha Demo. So this is a Spanish word, Demo. Asha is now a word, Asha 1. Sometimes we say Sai. Sai means 1. But if we want to say the whole word, we say Asha. Asha Demo. Nakit Demo means 2 weeks. Kat Demo means 3 weeks. Di Demo means 4 weeks or 1 month. And we'll study that next time. Okay, this is next Tuesday's lesson, right? But right now it's this one. All right. So what I'm trying to do is teach you things that you would use in the community, in the home, between your friends, somebody that you know that speaks the Nebuzah. you find that person and you can go through these lessons over and over and over, okay? And you learn together. All right, today, Sunday, Dhammo. Notice that the M has that nasal sound, because all in, M, in any language, that's not just Navajo, even Balagana, we say Monday, we say you'd say it through the nose, M-O. So every language has that nasal sound, okay? Da, mo, and notice that slide, mo, okay, da mo. And then let's go to Sunday, which is the day after Sunday. So what we do is say, Dhammo Sunday, biskan, there's that kun, nasal's there because of that N, okay, kun, with a high tone, kun, ne. All right, so what we're saying is the day after Sunday, that's our word for Monday, Dhammo biskan. And then we change it a little bit and we say, na ke jin. That means 2 days. So there's 1 day. Actually, this is 1 day here, this Sunday, and then 1 day. What we're talking about is work, right? There's 5 days of work. Okay. The first day of work is Monday. We just call it Dhammo biskan. And then the second day of work, we call it na ke tu. Na ke jin means day. 2 days da'anish. 2 days of work. Da'anish. Oh, I just forgot something. Hold on. So I better do it right now. Sorry. Give me a little pause here. I need to send an invite and hang in there for a minute. Some of our leaders, Harold, Chuck, we got call him Chuck. I don't know if Eileen's here, but we'll send one to her. Thomasina from over at Severe. I think Sophia's here. I think Charlene's here. Eddie. And over Nevada, Ella. And I think we're okay right now. So I'll go ahead and send this to them, just see if they can join us. Okay, what happened? We don't know. But let it go. Okay, we're back. Anyway, so Tuesday is na ke jin, 2 days of da'anish. Notice the DA means plural. So we don't put it in the noun or we don't put it in the description. We put it in what we call the verb. Da'anish means work. 2 days of work. Tuesday, 2 days of work. Na kitchen da'anish. Right? Da'anish. Notice there's no high tones. Da. Notice that the N, I left the N by itself. You could say I right here if you want to. You could say ne, da, nish. See the ne. But sometimes we say the word so fast that we just let go of the I sound. Da, 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 anish, da, anish. So there's the and there's the and then the I. See, we lost the I here. So if this is 2 days of work, Wednesday becomes 3 days of work. Take, ta, or 2 A's, we just say 3, we just say ta, but because we have take, jin, 3 days of work. Tagicha da'anish. So that's similar to here. Tuesday, da'anish. Thursday, Wednesday, da'anish. All right, same word. So that's helpful. Over here, we've been doing counting, so now ki. And we just add the word day, 2 days, da'anish. 2 days of work. Tagicha, 3 days of work. Da'anish. Tagicha da'anish. So we did 1, 2, 3 days of work. All right. We got some more folks, isn't it? Sorry. Okay, they're going in. I probably missed somebody. I didn't send out a whole slew of things this morning. Anyway, let's go over here to Thursday. So if this Tuesday is not kitchen and Wednesday is tagitchen, tagge. Notice how all the high tones. Ta, ge, jin, but with the nasal. Danish. Thursday becomes dinke. All right, so hold on. Let's kind of redo that one. I don't see the correct spelling here. So let's see. Oh, here. Okay, there it is. So let's just zoom it high. Okay, and let go of this 1 minute. So right here, I saw, okay, remember how it says take? We need a dike. And we have a high tone on that I, because I hear dike, jin, dike, jin. Notice how, okay, high tone. I, high tone. All right, so D is, remember our word for D is 4, but in this way, we're going to say 4 days, so we shorten that, think, and then danish. 4 days of work. So you got 1 day, well, not this one, but Monday is 1. But Tuesday, nakijin. Wednesday, tagijin, danish. 4 days of work. Tinkijin, danish. All right. And Friday, it's kind of like, thank you, Friday's here. It doesn't matter if you're working or at school or whatever, you're traveling, whatever. Friday is a happy day. Da'inish. We don't say 5 days of work. No, this is da'inish. Work is done. That's what it is. For our word for Friday is the work is done. Cool. Da'inish. And then look at the word for Saturday. The more. Where did you hear that one? Remember Sunday? So we have the more biskane, and we have the more, and now we have the more. Yaj. What does that yaj mean? Yaj means small, tiny, little, just small. What's small? The more, yaj, the more is small. Small Sunday. That's what we call Saturday, small Sunday. But the big Sunday, we don't say big, but we just say the more for Sunday. And there you have it, one whole week. So how are you going to use it? Now we got to put it into Nahataya. And then we use it into a question. Here we go. We'll still use Josh. Hatan. There's more people coming in. Yat e. Those who've joined in, yat e. All right. You missed the little corn presentation, but that's okay. We this is our how would you say it? Kind of like our image that we want to follow in our lives. And up here, Taridi means corn pollen. That's where we become interdependent. That's where we really enjoy peace, love, joy, and harmony. All right. And it's in our prayers as the people. All right, let's go over here to nata. That's where it doesn't mean questioning. Nata means our plan, our plan. When I was growing up, nobody really said anything about nata. Everybody went from tza'kes, wake up, listen, you're the sheep herder, you take out the sheep. You got to go to the store. Dad, you have to go to corn. Grandma, you have to go. Everybody's got their assignments, right? And really nobody said anything about nataya. Let's go. Somebody message me real quick here. Okay, I got it, Harold. Thank you. All right. Anyway, nobody really said anything about nata. And so I had to learn this word nata later in years, because we knew our role, right? In tza'kes, we knew the day we woke up, we went right to ina. We went right to implementation of things that we're supposed to do. We didn't have to think about it. We didn't have to plan. If somebody says, okay, Shiaz, I didn't cut, nobody told me go herd the sheep. I just knew that I was supposed to do that, right? But let's say moms, or maybe dad, I don't know who, and they said, hold on. Let's quickly answer. I think they know. And oops. One more. Okay. Oops. Sorry for a minute. Okay, got it. Nobody really, because everybody had a role and we knew the role, and so we didn't really, except maybe the day my mom says, today, son, you go with your grandpa to the cornfield. You'll be over there for a whole week, so pack up. Grandpa wants you to be holding some weeds with him, I go, whoa, okay. But that was not really mine. It was somebody else's assignment to. So ina was already still there. Ina means living or implementation. So as I was growing up, I just went from thoughts like go here with your grandpa. Ina, go do this. You'll do this, And so my mother might be the one that's telling me not. And then Sesson, I didn't really know until I start having this prayer idea with Father. Talking about thank you. And he was talking about holy people. And he was talking about the sacred things around us, like the mountains and the trees and the sky and the animals and everything. How is it? What's a cat? A cat means thank you. And why is he saying a cat to the trees and the water? Oh, later on I found out they help me survive. The animals help me. These are like food, the mountains. These are like places where we can go get sacred herbs. So everything that you see around us became a blessing to us. So that's why it says and came later again. So maybe while we're growing up, it was in tza'kes, that was really alive in us. But as we found out later, there was four ideas in tza'kes. Tza'kes means thinking. Nata means planning that thought. Ina means living that thought. Sesson means enjoying what you just went through, the implementation. What do you like about it? All right. So anyway, let's go to the questions. Here we go. Joth, which is you already knew that. This is a new question. Hatan. You can go as long as you want. Hatan. That means when in the past. There's a when that is in the future. So this one's the past. Hatan. When. When in the past. Josh Hatan. When did you play Ben on the Nand and notice the word ne and nit and if you want to make a verb past tense, this is the easiest way. Just put the word and at the end. Okay. So this right now, this form right here means to play. Without the last one, without this last part. That means present tense, play. But if I want to say play in the past, I say benanet, add another e, benanen. So what am I saying? George, Hadan, when did you play ball? When did you play ball? And the answer is George. Let's say Sunday. Because that was yesterday, right? That was yesterday or 2 days ago. George, the more, yeah, down. You got to put yeah down because that makes it like last Sunday. The more, yeah, down. And if it was last Friday, I would say, let's see right here. Friday. Josh Dainish. Yeah. So last Friday, that's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days ago. Josh Dainish. Notice the change. Here it's when did you, okay? The you is ne. When did you play ball? And I would say, to answer that, I'd say, the more, yeah, George, the more, yeah, and the other thing you can say is, the more, yeah, could also go right here in the front. And I could put George right here, closer to that, where the noun can come closest to the verb. So this is interchangeable. I chose to put George. I'll go in it. Josh, the more see, past tense. Benashne is present tense, but I want to make this a past tense. I say and. Now the reason why I put and is easiest way to make things present tense, past tense. We do have a word that where you don't have to say and, okay? But you learn that later, okay? Right now, we're just going to use two, one for past tense. One was past, one was present, and then one was in the future, dolech. All right. So let's just practice for a minute here. Go to any questions you might have. All right, yeah. Okay. All right, really? Please. Okay. All right. So let's get that going. Sorry about that. Got 2 more people coming in. All right. Thank you. Nijonia. So let's just give some practice here. Let's just use the more Monday, because that was yesterday. So so today is these two. If I said nakijin da nish that in my answer, that means not today, because this is present day. You're talking about last Tuesday. So if I said to you, I'll choose DJ. I'll say, dat ehilchen, DJ. Josh hata benanent and DJ goes, Josh na kitchen da anish da benashnand and I played ball last Tuesday. Yeah, that's what you're saying, last Tuesday. All right, so that's how you would do it. All right. So, and then I'd say, hey, DJ, Johnny, all right, that gives you a plot here. So sesen means feel. Let's bring a feel of a joy here. DJ did really good. Johnny, you know. I will add some more praise words as we go along. But today and next few days will be Johnny. All right. So let's try another one. Let's try, okay, Bailey. Let's try you, Bailey. Bailey, I'm not saying you don't need to really say these, but I'm going to, because I know it's Hilchen. I say, Bailey yad Hilchen. I could say Bailey's name first. I could say, if I knew Bailey like my sister, I'd say, Ja, det är helt Shadej. See, I could have said Shadej to Bailey. Or anyway, yeah, det är helt Bailey. And then now I'm going to say, let's do Thursday, last Thursday. Bailey, Josh hata benanent and Bailey goes, Josh, think it's da anish right there. Oh, I'm missing out. I'm going to separate that. Oop. There. I don't know why. Yeah. Josh, and then day of the week right here. Day of the week. Josh, think it's da anish. Yeah, da benashnant and oh, okay. Yeah, just wanting that. Thank you for telling me. Yeah, I know now when you played ball Thursday. All right. So anybody have any thoughts or questions? Okay, so do we have another person coming in? I thought I let her in. All right, so how to echo sound. Anybody have any ideas how we can let go of the echo? Somebody's hearing some echo. The only thing I can do is do the mute for all. That might do it, because then we can just use one microphone. And then you might have two mics on over there. Just turn one of them off. That might help. I don't know, unless somebody knows. Just chat it, put it in the chat and say, so everybody needs to do this or something. Okay. 4 is our sacred number. So I'm going to do 2 more and then we're going to have you guys line up on this one. All right, here we go. And it's already 4:50. Oh boy. But the next one is very similar, except you're just going to say Hako instead of Hadan. Hako means when. In the future right here. That means future tense. When in the future, where you play ball, and then you just have to learn dole. Everything else is the same. Everything else is the same. Okay. All right. So, and you can have a choice. Let's say, I can do this. I can say, sky. I can say things like sky, Hilchen, Josh, Hako, Benanedolis. When are you going to play ball? And Sky says, Josh, Kakichin da Anish. go. Da nishko. Benashne doleh. Some people say gonne, which is okay. We're just extending, but we're just going to keep with the go right for right now. This means the same thing. Jo Tagijin da nish Wednesday da nish go. Benashne doleh. I hope the echo went down, Sky. I'm talking about you. All right, so now, all right, let's do one more. Let's go with Damon. Damon, yeah, there. Yeah, there he's Damon. Josh Hako. Ben Dolet. When are you going to play ball? Josh. The more be scanning. That means next Monday. The more be scanning go. And Shne Dolet. Ben Shne. Now Shne comes back down, right? Ne Dolet. All right. If you're ready, put your name down. I'm ready or something. Okay. Let's go with, I gotta have a pad so I can write down your names as you're writing, as you're typing. All right. So I might go one way or the other. So you got to kind of watch out for which way is he going, which way is he going? You know, is he going to do the khadan? So if you're going to khadan, you got to follow this pattern over here. If I'm going to follow hakko, you got to follow this pattern over here. All right, you're still using these terms, but one means when did you play, and when will you play? All right. All righty, let's go with I'm ready. Leah, yate hilchen Leah, yate. Are you on?
Yate. Oh.
All right. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yate Leah. Josh Hako. Josh Hako benane doleh.
Josh damo go benashne do le.
Doleh. Yeah. All right. Leah, can you choose somebody? Can you ask the question to somebody? Say yat whoever you want to say it to.
Yate Cheyenne.
Cheyenne, yat ne. Cheyenne, can you say that? Oh, there you go. All right, go ahead, Leah.
Jo hago benane ne do
Lesh.
le.
Cheyenne.
Yo damo biscaneko benane dolesh.
Nash Nado. Only Shania ask somebody. Yat whoever. Yat Hilchen.
Yat Cassie.
All right, who did you say? Did you say somebody's name?
Cassie.
Oh, Kathy. Yeah, Kathy, you respond, Kathy. Okay. Shanna, question. You can do Josh Hatan or Josh Hako.
Yo hago benane dolesh.
Josh nakeje nata anshko benashne dol
Lesh.
lesh.
Brilliant. Hey, Kat. Hey, Kathy, Shanna, you can give a thank you. Kat. All right, Kathy. Who would you like to pick?
Yate
Tiara. Who did you say?
Tiara.
Tierra.
Yatet.
Okay, your choice, Kathy.
Jo had hada ben
Do I just pick a week?
So you have to, she chose this one up here. Josh, and then you choose, and then you choose which day you want to say. When did you play ball? Josh, and then you put in the week.
Okay. Jos damo ye da benashne nte.
There's only a cat. There's only a Tera and Nana got it to somebody.
Yate Jared.
Jared.
Yate.
And the Tera question.
Jos hagod benani dolil.
Joel nida inish go be nashne dol.
Yeah, there's only a Jared, so that is somebody.
Oh,
Ask a question to somebody, Jared.
Oh, Jakis. Yate Jakis.
Oh, there it is. Jakis, Yati. And then Jared, ask the question.
Okay. Joel hago be nane dos.
Josh Hako Benanedolis. Okay. And then Jakis, Josh, and then put a day of the week.
Jos nakije danish benashne net
Dolish.
dolis
All right. Jakis, Yad somebody.
Take someone.
oh Jermaine
Jermaine.
Jermaine Hasteen
Yate Jakis.
Okay, Jakis. You choose which one.
Jermaine Hasteen oh Jos hago benani dolis
Jo tagije danish go benashne dolil.
And there's only a excellent day. Yeah. Good attempt. Jermaine, a cat. Or yeah, Jermaine, ask somebody. Yat
Yat Jermaine Longsaw.
Oh, Yate.
Yat Jermaine Jo hago benani dolil.
Dos. Na kije ne danish be nashne doles.
a little bit. A cat. Jermaine, say yat to somebody.
Lenticia Yate.
Yate Jermaine.
Dos hada be nanine nte.
Josh damo yeda be nashne nte.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Leticia, Nana. Got a, somebody.
Yat e Janessa.
Might have to say it again.
Yet Lucia.
Jol hagobe nane doles.
Jos damo yaji go benashne dosle.
Ha. Nijani. All right. Your turn. Ask Yad A, whoever.
Yet a Marawi.
Yat e.
Jos go benane ni dosle.
Jol mobis kane bo be na dole.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah, thank you, Nijani. All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Who? Say it again. Yad A.
Jol hata be nane
You choose. All I heard was Josh. You had to choose a day of the month or the week, you mean? Maybe choose them all. Yeah, Don. I think we lost your voice. Can you try it again?
Yate, it's me,
Okay.
Bannon. Jo Demar Yaje Ye Da Bi Naje Nije.
Okay. John.
Yate David.
Yat Do I ask the question?
Yad
Yo Ha Go Ne Beneje
None.
Noli.
Penane doles.
Josh da ish go benash ni dos lils dolis.
Doles. Johnny, yeah, David. David, say Yad to somebody.
Yat Elia.
Leah Yad engine. Are you there? Your mic's not on or something. All right. Leah, can you ask the question again?
Wait, Leah or me?
Oh, David?
Oh yeah. Okay. To Leah? Or someone different?
We didn't get an answer from the other one, so let's do somebody different.
Okay, so Yat Shayana.
Okay. Cheyenne Ayate. Huh. Mike's not on. Can't hear you. Okay. Let me see. Who hasn't done it yet? Go message us. Who hasn't done it yet and would like to do it? Okay. Choose one of those last 4 or 5. There's Haley.
I'll do Jordan Ingleby. All right. Yat Jordan Ingleby.
Yate.
All right. Josh Hada Bina ne de I Nte.
Jo Damu Bash Kani Go Banash Ne Dolish.
Benashne dole. Yeah. All right. Who was that? Jordan?
Yeah.
Jordan. I just could say Yat A to somebody. Down at the bottom, choose one of the ones at the bottom.
Charles. Yate Charles. Jersey Charles.
Oh, Jersey. Yeah, that's Jersey.
Yate.
Okay, go ahead, Jordan. Ask the question.
Yohago Bina Ni Ne Dolish.
Dolesh. Okay.
Jo damo go be nashni do re.
Sunday, yeah. Okay, and then Cat. Jersey. Choose one somewhere at the bottom.
Yate DJ.
DJ.
Jo hako be nani ne do le.
Lesh.
Josh Damor Yaji Doch Benas Nitos.
Benashne Dolesh. Johnny, Cat, DJ. DJ, not this kid. Go ahead and ask somebody. Got it. Just use one of the bottom ones.
Yate Haley.
Haley.
Josh Hagoch Benani Dos.
Benashne Dolesh.
Josh Damo Yajego Baneshne Dolesh.
Benashne Dolesh. Nejania. Nejania Cat. Okay. Anybody else wants to try? Okay. Haley, ask the last 2 that just came out, Bailey or Alexa.
Yat Bailey.
Oh, Yate.
Josh Hago Benane Dolesh.
Jo Damo go Benashne Dole.
Zania. Go ahead, Bailey, ask the question to, I think the last one it's saying Alexa. Ask. Yat Alexa. Alexa.
Yate Alyssa.
Yate.
Choose which way you want to go.
Jo Hada Benani ne Nete.
Jo damo yeda besh nashne nete.
Nijoniye. All right, anybody else that hasn't got it?
Lauren hasn't gone.
Lauren, Alexa, say yat Laura.
Yate
No. Lauren,
Yate. Jo hago be nani ne jo dojula.
Dolesh. Okay,
Jo stamo go be nash ne dolesh.
Nijoniye. Nijoniye. Anybody else that we didn't get? Oh, okay. Lauren, last one. Michaela. Yate, Michaela.
Yate Michaela.
Yate.
Jos hago be nani ne dolesh.
Jo damo go be nash ne dole.
Nijoniye. Anybody else that hasn't gone? Oh, I think we got it, huh? Nijoniye. Amelika, Nashidilkit, ask me. Not there, Mr. Long.
Oh, me?
Oh, you haven't asked a question.
Okay. Jo hago be nani ne dole.
That's it. Okay. Josh, na kitchen da anish go. Nash ne dolish. Praise me. Give me praise. Say yeah, there's only it. Anybody else? Yeah, there's only, that's your praise. Wherever you go, wherever you, whatever, whenever you say, when somebody gives you the salt or the pepper at dinner tonight, to say, yeah. If you know Shema, you can say, yeah, Shema, something like that. Just use those praises. The praises, it'll make a difference. It's like one word can make a difference in your family. And why not say it in Navajo? Yeah. Why not say it in Navajo? All righty, I'm going to stop share because I think we got everybody. And I want to thank everybody for coming. We'll go ahead and stop the share. How do I stop the share? There's a way, there's a way. All right. Okay, I'll say pause here.